In this video, we will discuss the usage of multiple if statements with a single else block. Sometimes we need to test for a condition multiple times before coming to a conclusion. In such cases, if else statements can be used. Multiple if statements can be used to decide on the set of statements that needs to be executed. The if statements are always executed from the top-down order, while being executed from top-down order. When any of the if statement is evaluated to be true, then all the statement associated with that if block is executed, and the remaining of the if conditions and the else condition is bypassed. If none of the if conditions are evaluated to be true, then the final else block with the set of statements will be executed. This means that at most only one block of code can get executed at a time, either from if block or the else block. Syntax: if with the condition in braces, and then the set of statements to be executed when the if statement is evaluated to be true. It is followed by one or more elif blocks have different set of condition, and at last we have the else block, with set of statements to be executed only when all the above if block is evaluated to be false. Let's discuss the if-else statement using a program. We used if statement if we want to execute a set of statements only when the condition is true. Similarly, we used the if-else condition when we wanted to execute one set of statements when the condition is evaluated to be true and another set of statement when the condition is evaluated to be false. If true, then it will execute the statements inside the if block, else it will execute the statements inside the else block. The advantage of the if-else statement is that we can have multiple if conditional block. We will use the same program that we used in the if statement. The second if statement is replaced by elif, and the third if statement is replaced by else statement. So this is the perfect combination when we need to use multiple if condition and single else statement at same time. The advantage is that if any of the if statement is evaluated to be true, then it will skip all the other if and else statements. When executed, the user enters the value as 15. The first if condition is evaluated to be true as 15 is less than 20. So it prints the string value as I is less than 20. After this, the program skips all the remaining if and else statements. It helps to improve the performance of the code as there are no unnecessary checks. The program is executed again. The user enters the value as 20 this time. The first if condition is evaluated to be false as 20 is not less than 20. The program control moves to the elif statement, which also evaluated to be false as 20 is not greater than 20. So finally, it goes to the else block and print statement as I is equal to 20. This is how we use the if-elif statement in Python.